So this Make It Skin Super Band was sent to me to try out. This is a hydrocolloid band-aid, so it's not a regular band-aid. If you've ever scraped your knee, gotten a blister, or had a cut that keeps reopening, this is definitely something that you might want to think of because this is not your average band-aid. So there's 3 of these in this box. And like I said, they are hydrocolloid bandages. So they're designed to create a moist healing environment instead of letting the wound dry out. So I already like the fact that these come in larger sheets. So that way you can cut out the exact size that you need. So this makes it great for awkward spots, larger scrapes, blisters, or areas where regular bandages don't fit very well. So you'll just peel this off, and then I'll just put it right here across my hand like this. So these are thin, they're flexible, and then once they're on, they move with your skin. So that way they're not going to constantly peel up along the edges. All right, so these are also waterproof, so you can work out, shower, and not have to worry about replacing these every few hours. So hydrocolloid dressing really just puts a protective layer that helps support the healing environment, and it helps absorb the fluid while keeping the dirt and moisture out. If you're looking for something beyond the basic band-aid for cuts, scrapes, blisters, or road rash, these are definitely worth keeping in your first aid kit, and you should definitely check these out.